Last year, Salesforce introduced flow logging to improve the visibility into flow execution. It was highly detailed, requires enabling ahead of time, and uses data cloud credits. We all liked it, but people asked for a quick way to understand flow health and know where to focus. Starting with Spring 26 release, Flow Embedded Analytics is available in your org. You can now see total runs directly on each flow elements in Canvas and aggregated information about element run status and total duration in the side panel. This provides direct view of what's actually executing, available right where you are building. It's not a replacement for execution logging, but a fast signal to help you decide when flow requires deeper monitoring. So let's see that in action. A few important details that I would like to share with you before I show you. Embedded Analytics is available by default and no activation is needed. It will cover all flows except screen flows. And the analytics data will be shown only when your flow is activated and has executed at least once. So here I am inside my org, and let me start by creating a record triggered flow. So here I'll click on the record triggered flow, and I am going to create a record triggered flow on the contact object. And it will run every time a record is created or updated without any condition. Sounds good. What I am going to do, I am going to update the triggering record, and let's say update contact. And here I will do is that, let's say I will clean status. I'll set the value as in sync, and let's save this flow. And I'm going to make it a contact trigger flow and click on save. And I am going to activate the flow. So once it's activated, the moment it's activated, you see this option came, total runs. Currently it's showing as blank. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my org and open the contact object and choose one of the contact. Let's say this contact, and I'm going to do a fake update. Basically, I'm not changing anything, just click on save. My intention is all about to trigger the flow that I've just created. So I'm going to click on save. So what I'm expecting is that this flow should have been executed. So let's refresh the page. And you can see just a few minutes back, it was blank. Now the total run became 1. So once I click on this one, under the properties, there will be a section called analytics. And here you will find how many times my flow has ran and how many times it was completed successfully, how many times there was an error with this flow. There is an option to see more details, click open details. I don't know where to click as of today, but at least from this page, I am able to know how many times my flow has ran and how many times it was successful and how many times it failed. So I think this is a very easy way to understand the analytics about your flow. And if you see a flow is failing for a long time, then it means there is something wrong going on into the flow, and then it needs a little bit more monitoring and to figure it out why this flow is failing for that much of amount of time. So I think this is a very helpful feature to understand how a particular flow is behaving in your production environment. That's all for today. I hope this short video will help you to understand and monitor your flow health inside your Salesforce production org. If you like this video, please hit the like icon, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that next time when I publish videos on Salesforce, Google Cloud, Analytics, AI, you will be the first person to be notified. Till next time on Technical Potpourri, stay safe and keep learning.